Good thing Mommy's here to help me with the small minutia basics of parenting. I clearly can't do by myself without her help.
Yeah, I'm hot.
All right, where are we going?
I don't know. You're the one who wanted to get out.
Yeah,
and
but
get
I'm looking for
going.
input. I do want to get out.
I don't know. We can go for a drive. I wouldn't mind going to see the Ketterings. Is that too much for you?
It's not. I don't know health-wise if they'd be open to it, but
Sure, that's true. Or the Stewarts. Because they've got 2 kids. You've got 2 kids.
yeah.
We also have nap time for both kids coming up in like an hour and a half. So.
In like 2.5 hours. 2.5.
Okay.
They go down 3.
Oh, I thought you were trying to put them down closer to 1 and 2.
No. Yesterday I had to because Charlie got up early and was a crabby bitch. It was an entire apple made of crab. Well, why don't you reach out to said Ketterings?
Where'd my phone go? Oh, gotta turn it on.
I might swing by Beverage Warehouse then because we are running low on some beer supplies.
How the hell are we running low on beer supplies?
Well, you know, we drink alcohol.
Yeah.
Just a few Sixers. Not looking to purchase cases and cases.
Okay.
Right, Ted? Yeah, she and Charlie, now that Charlie's in the back like that, they just chit-chat the whole ride and tell each other jokes. Are you going to call them? Should I start heading north? Oh. I see. Your phone was off.
No, my phone is updating.
Oh, you got your update today, did you?
Mm-hmm.
I did mine this morning. It's rare that we get the update at the same time.
Aren't you proud I put on real clothes?
Yeah, I was like shocked. I was like, okay, not yoga pants and frumpy shirt. Look who's feminine. Look at you being a woman.
I don't have a brooch on or a
Mama,
necklace,
my dress
but
is
I do
on.
have a scarf.
Mama, have my dresses on.
Yeah, you do, Charles. You're looking good.
Are you totally excited about your birthday present?
A little nervous.
It's so good. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it.
Okay.
Did you call them?
No, I still am updating.
Son of bitch.
I am on optimizing app 152 of 465.
Hijo de la puta.
Boats. My boats. My boats.
You found boats?
Yep.
Uh-huh. I just sold them.
Yeah, there's a little boatyard there.
I want to pick one there. I want to pick one there. Mama, I want to pick one there.
Yeah, you want to pick one there? One of the boats?
Mhm.
You and your daddy.
So I can ride on.
Yeah.
I want a small one. I want a so tiny one.
This tiny one?
I want a small one.
Are you going to be the captain?
I guess when you guess. I guess when you guess.
Mm-hmm.
My dad says going to do this.
Yeah?
So we're going to go home. So we're going to go faster.
Yeah.
Optimizing 366 of 465.
It just keeps adding more ofs. At first it was like 150 out of 300. Now it's 359 out of 525.
Upload or installing upgrade, and then it's like you're showing this bar, and then it's like now you get another bar for the next activity, and then another bar, and then more, and it's like
just give me one bar, bitch.
Right, just let me know, even if it's a minute per percent.
At least it's honest.
At least it's honest. The shady crap. Tit. Cat. Ha.
Ha. All right, so what other ways can we think of to make a lot of money without doing a lot of work?
I think real estate's a really good one. I think
any other businesses like laundromats or
franchise.
Yeah, franchise is still going to maintain a lot of work. That's
okay.
Even if I build up something to be a franchise.
No. You would franchise like a Chipotle or something.
Oh yeah, well, a little bit more guaranteed success, but not as much money. And you gotta have a lot of money to get one of those guys. Although I'd kill to bring a CC's Pizza out here. Or a Sonic.
Sonic would be a smart move. A Sonic would be a real smart move, Pedro.
No, we would crush it in Pedro.
Yeah.
Everybody eats shitty food.
Yeah, and then you're close enough to Long Beach where you can grab the Long Beach crowd, and then close enough to everybody in the South Bay to be all like,
I need, for the first 10 years, I don't want another, like, I want to have the rights to all
within like
Sonic
3 miles or whatever.
Yeah, right. Frankly, LA County.
Okay.
Let's pump them out. Because right now, the only Sonics in LA County that I know of are up by your old work at Sanguine. There's one maybe or even further north.
There's one in Anaheim. I think there might be one in Santa Clarita and then Huntington. Yeah, that's it. Now there must be a reason why they're not in LA proper. But if there isn't, besides they just don't have the bandwidth or whatever, or anybody interested, then that would be a bad one. Okay, let me call. Okay, Ketterings or Stewart's?
Whatever you want to do.
I don't care.
Well, this is your idea. I even care less.
Okay, then I'm gonna call Alicia, and then we can invite the Stewarts over if they're down. If they're down. Yeah. Ah. The Tapia family will be in your neighborhood in about 20 to 30 minutes, and we're wondering if we can stop by and say hi to you guys, or if it's a COVID thing, we are totally cool and understand too. Yeah, totally. No. We totally understand. Absolutely. Well, we will catch you in January then, or whenever. Oh, I don't know. We don't know yet. But yeah, that's kind of 9 weeks till you pop. Well, and then but then you're gonna play it like Marcella, and then you're gonna be homebound until there's a vaccine available, and that we will completely abide by. So yeah.
Do they have a window?
6 months. Yeah. Oh, yeah. No. Play it safe. Yeah, so, fuck that. Play it safe. Do your thing. I know, we miss you too. That's why Dan's like, let's just get in the car. And so we're in the car, and he's like, okay, now what do you want to do? I'm like, you know what? I really want to go see the Ketterings if they're seeing people. Please do. Yes, we should do more picture swapping. As COVID advances. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they're incubators. Okay, we might give the Ketterings a call. Or the Stewarts a call. All right. I love you too. All right, give Michael a giant hug and smooch from Dan, and then you can give him a high five from me.
And a wet willy.
Okay. Okay. All right. Love you guys. Bye. She was incredibly touched. And they're on lockdown, and I totally understand. They don't want to risk anything. Yes, sweetheart. I gotta take my glasses off? No, I like my glasses on. What are you gonna tell me?
What do you like?
What do I like? I like you. I like Teddy. My favorite color? Green. And yellow. That's Daddy's favorite color. Did you know that? It's your favorite color? Oh, well, how about that, Daddy?
Your favorite color is yellow? That's my favorite color.
You guys share the same favorite color. Wow.
I chose green. I'm the green Hulk.
You are the Green Hulk today. Okay, I'm going to call the Stewarts.
Stewarts. Yeah, if you combine their name, Stewart and Gallivan, to Stewavan, that sounds fun.
Stewavan,
But
the
if you
Stewavans?
do Gallowart, it's not as
I like it. It is fun.
Gallowarts.
Gallowarts. They're the Gallowarts. It's happening. It happened.
That would make us the Warpias.
Morpheus. That's pretty. Still badass.
No.
Or the Toppins. Morpheus. Okay, denied. So I will text, because I'm sure she's screening.